Today I'm remaking this raised bed because I need to plant crops that I can harvest quickly. So what I'm gonna do is remove all of this dirt that is here and place it here in the front because this terrain kind of slopes down. So it'll just help even things out. This tarp, I'm going to remove it. Then I'm going to try to dig like maybe 6 inches deep. Then I'm gonna put the tarp, I'm not gonna nail it to the wood. I'm just gonna place it on the bottom. And after that, there's a banana tree right back here. So I'm gonna bring it here and lengthwise, I'm gonna split it in half and put both halves in here and then fill it up with compost that I bought that I have in the garage. And the things that I'm gonna put here, I'm gonna start with like lettuce, place that I went to buy the compost. They gave me for free pak choi, so that'll be the first thing that goes in there. This thing here, I'm gonna get it out. So let's get to work getting this ready to start growing some fast yielding crops. All right, I took out all the screws. Now I'm gonna try to lift the tarp and bring everything to the front. All right, for the most part it worked. So it worked. This is gonna flatten this area. Oh look, there's a lizard. He must have been brought forward. I'm gonna dig in there if possible because I see a lot of rocks. Come on, man. Oh no, he comes in because of the worms. You see him? That's a lot of worm for you to eat, man. It's a big worm. Oh, you just cut a piece off. Oh, I'm sorry about that, man. Let me try to cover you. The two of you, there were two in there. So that's why that lizard came. So anyway, I'm gonna try to level this. If I can't dig, I'll put some of this soil in there to even it out, and then I'll put the tarp. So let's get to that. There's a big rock. All right. Got this thing out of there. Holy crap. You see that huge thing? That thing is enormous. I was unable to dig deeper because there's a lot of boulders there. I took some out, but there are others in there that are just difficult and won't come out. There's a lot of lizards jumping in because some of the worms are being unearthed. I covered a few to protect them. And I think that's what he's looking for. The ones here are a lot bigger than the ones, red wigglers I have in the garage and over there. Away. So what I did is I kind of leveled the soil here a little bit and over there. And what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go grab the banana tree that's back there. Here's the banana tree that was back there. It's already in the afternoon. You can't notice, but first the sun was over there and now it's back there, but the clouds are covering. So anyway, I already measured this raised bed here and it is 9 feet. So with this, what I'm gonna do is cut off the bottom part and just cut off the top part. And then I'm gonna try to split it in half and put both halves in there. So now, let's throw the tarp in there. I think I'm gonna go get a few rocks from over there, place them in different sections. That way it'll hold it for now. Cover as much ground as I can so the nutrition is spread out. I'm gonna give you a close-up shot of this, and then I'm gonna go get the soil and start covering all of this. Come on. These are bags of compost that I bought yesterday from a local farming company because it was my first time there. They gave me one pak choi, a lettuce, and that lettuce is going to be the first one I put here once all of this goes in there. I'm just going to go get more bags that I got in the garage, keep doing this, and once it's done, then I'll show you. The raised bed is done. The last thing to do is to put in this pak choi, which was a gift. It will be the very first produce to be put in this raised bed. Because this raised bed, like I said earlier, is going to be used for crops that grow fast, like lettuce and radish. So I'm going to put different types of lettuce and some radish, and maybe anything else that I can find that grows quickly. So here goes the first one. Let me dig a hole, and let's hope I don't screw this up. So I'm gonna water it and get some other seeds growing, and when they're ready, I'll put them here. So thank you for watching this current episode. I think this is episode 6 or 7, as I turn my backyard into a food forest.